Welcome to this video. Today we will take an in-depth look at the machining center in the field of aluminum processing. Machining center is a highly automated, high-precision machine tool equipment. It has multi-axis linkage, high-speed cutting and other functions, can meet the complex shape of aluminum products and high-precision processing requirements. First, let's see how the aluminum is fixed to the workbench. Next, the tool starts to rotate, cutting the aluminum material at a very high speed to form the shape we want. The machining center can achieve micron-level precision control to ensure that the dimensions of the aluminum products are accurate. At the same time, the smooth surface quality like a mirror can be obtained by setting reasonable process parameters. Through the exquisite technology of the processing center, aluminum products can show their excellent performance and beautiful appearance, contributing to the development of various industries. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a better understanding of how aluminum is processed in machining centers.